Well, folks, we're still in beautiful Orlando, Florida. Unfortunately, we missed our flight, so we decided to, since I couldn't get the Camping World Bowl last time I was here, they had some kind of teenage cheerleading competition or whatever, but here we are. Now, there's rumors that they want to fix this up and try to get the Jaguars to move down from Jacksonville. So let's go around the other side. We'll get another shot. Well, we like statues on this channel. Trying to figure out who that is. I don't know. The gift. Oh. In honor of the fans. Here. In honor of the fans, volunteers, and supporters of World Cup Orlando 1994. All right. So it's not any specific player, or maybe it is. If you know who it is, put the name in the comment below. But it's weird how some of that concourse is covered and some of it's not. You know, where the stairs are, there's cover. I do like the walkway on the second floor there. There's 2 levels. All right. I'm gonna walk around here and I don't know. I'm assuming in the middle there's an entrance to the club and suite area, which is why they have a covered entrance down here. Definitely looks good with all these palm trees. Oh, okay, there's stairs that lead up to the second level, or an escalator. You know why this is so plain compared to some of the other stadiums we've seen, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's a neutral site. There's no.
Yeah, it's like a generic stadium.
There's not going to be any logos or anything.
Right.
All right, what we got here? There you got Camping World Gate B lobby. Okay. Yeah, this shade's nice.
I know, let's stay under.
Well, if you want.
No, I'm good.
Well, I'm saying I can give you the key if you want to go back.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
We're not going to be here that long.
No. Quick lap around the building and just try to show people what it looks like. And I mean, when you look at this and then you look at, say, Boone Pickens Stadium and you see all those the horses and the OSU logos and everything that's in, and then let me back that up a little bit, and then you look at this and it's like, this is about as plain as and boring as you can get.
There is a player going.
Yep. Weird thing is I don't see a whole lot of concessions. I see metal detectors. They probably set those up for the games. Seatbelts makes long commutes more bearable. How cute. I'm gonna go on the other side. That is different. It's like a tree but a vine. I don't know. I like it. It's definitely different. All right. At least you got some logos over here. You know, I mean, it's not a particular team, but you've got the actual name of the stadium at least. Now that across the street, that's pretty cool. I don't get with the yellow decor. Do you think there was a soccer stadium or soccer team that may have played here at one point? Do you think there may have been a soccer team that played here at one point? That's why there was. That's kind of a big door.
So do they use this for a lot of soccer? Then?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I do know it has all chairbacks.
Oh.
It's not bad, but it's definitely generic. Fortunately, this is all blocked off, so we either can walk around that way or we can go back the way we came. And I think we're going to go back the way we came. Nasty services.
It's stuck in the bottom of the sheet.
Well, I like the grassy field. I had no doubt in my mind that they probably, during the bowl game, park cars here. I would. All right. Well, we're going to go back around. Well, overall, it's a decent stadium. It's kind of plain looking just because, well, it's a neutral site. There ain't going to be no team logos or anything like that, but seemed to be a decent amount of concession stands and plenty of elevators and escalators and stairways, and they're all chairbacks. So I don't know if the NFL is going to come here or not, but it'd be kind of cool if they did. If you are new to the channel, please hit like and subscribe. I do want to thank everybody. We're, God willing, going to get on a plane tomorrow and head home. So I hope you're doing well. And as always, go Pokes.